Tesla fired dozens of Gigafactory workers after Tuesday's union announcement. Okay, listen, when was this posted, by the way? Feb 16? Okay, so yesterday. All I know, I don't know anything anymore because all these headlines that were coming out about this unionization thing, and then Tesla put out their own
They're like, that's not true.
press release, and they said, yeah, none of that. And you're just like, oh, God, am I going to Buffalo? Well, if anybody could go report on this, it's us, Will, because it's only an hour and a half over there.
Okay. We're on
It's a little bit icy, though, and our cars don't have the range for it. Our Tesla cars aren't going to get us there fast enough. No.
We're just going to miss a couple episodes and get the facts right.
Listen. The workers' union has filed an NLRB complaint alleging illegal retaliation for workers organizing at the company's Buffalo, New York facility. Yeah, so Elon got really pissed at this report, and then they issued their own. And then he went on Twitter and he's like, false. Is anyone actually doing their job? Where are the journalists? Where is the Willie Do? That's what he said.
I'm trying, Elon.
Allegedly. That's what he said, allegedly. The complaint, which was first reported by Bloomberg, alleges that firings came in retaliation for union activity and to discourage union activity. The Workers' United Union is seeking a federal court injunction to protect employee rights in its NLRB filing. This is a form of collective retaliation against the group of workers that started this organizing effort and is designed to terrify everyone about potential consequences of them organizing.
Okay.
I was trying to be the radio report from 1946.
Okay, yeah. I feel like it was like...
And
before.
Going around the track really quickly.
Okay, yeah. The horses?
There you go.
Racetrack?
Yeah. Or I guess announcers in general. The announcers always tell you. Yeah. You said it was Friday, not me.
Yeah. So what's true anymore? What do you believe?
What's true?
Yeah.
Truth Social. That's what's true.
I don't know about that.
I don't know. You want to know what the truth about what's true? I'll tell you the truth about what's true is whatever people want it to be. Like social media has created an environment ripe for individuals to generate their own version of truth. And it's terrifying because it means we can agree on absolutely nothing. Nothing. That's what happens when there's no agreed upon truths. Chaos ensues. We got to agree on some things, some base level cooperation kind of ideas here. If we can't get if all the fundamentals are up for grabs, chaos ensues, right? Mm-hmm. Like you need to know when you reach for a door handle, it opens a door.
Yeah.
And you know why I use that example? Because you were locked out. You were froze out of your own car.
No.
And that was a new thing for you.
Mm-hmm.
You're a different guy. There was Willie Do that never got froze out of his Tesla, and now there's
I'm a changed man.
There's a Willie Do that is a new truth for Willie Do over there.
Yeah.
Well, but that's a real truth. That's a real thing that happened. And people believe you and trust you because you've been so good on the fundamentals. Well, you get flimsy with those fundamentals, and people don't know what to believe anymore.
Yeah.
Don't get flimsy with those fundamentals.
All right, I'll try not to.